Hello, scientists! Thanks for tuning in. This video is about science and technology, explaining what they are, what the difference is between them, and what their relationship is. So, what is science? Science is the studying of the natural world to gain understanding. In other words, science is about doing things to learn more and gain more understanding, and what we learn from doing science. Science can involve performing experiments. This is like the actions of scientists, doing things to learn more and gain more understanding about how the world works. Science is also the knowledge that we get from performing those experiments, like what cells look like, what the parts are, and how they work together. Science is also what we know about our solar system, what the planets are like, and how and why they orbit the sun. Science is about studying the world to understand it better. That's why we have so many different types of science that we study, such as biology and chemistry and geology. So what is technology? Technology is using knowledge about the natural world to solve problems and improve daily life. In other words, technology involves using science, what we know, to change the world around us in order to make our lives better. Technology progresses and improves all the time, giving us new technology so that we can continue to satisfy our needs. There are so many examples of technology, but I'll go over just a few. Phones, especially cell phones, solve our problem of not being able to speak to anyone if we're not in the same room as them. Now, anyone you could ever want to talk to is just a text or a phone call away. They also improve our lives by giving us entertainment on the go, keeping a schedule, checking emails, and many other things. Microwaves help us cook food more quickly and easily than over the stove or using an oven, which can take a long time. Cars, planes, boats, trains, and any other type of transportation allows us to get places much more quickly and easily than if we walked or rode a horse. Doctors and hospitals use many different types of technology to help them diagnose and treat patients, such as this X-ray machine that allows doctors to see bones and organs inside someone's body. Technology helps save lives. Now, technology is not just electronics. It's anything that humans have made in order to make our lives better. For example, this notebook, pencil, and eraser are all examples of technology too. We have taken various natural resources to make objects that we can use to write things down. To summarize, technology is when science is used to make things that help to solve our problems and improve our lives. So now that you understand the difference between science and technology, how are science and technology related to one another? When a question asks how things are related, it's asking you to explain how they interact with one another or how they are connected. What is their relationship? What do they have to do with each other? Now that we understand the question, let's answer it. How are science and technology related or connected? Take a minute to brainstorm some ideas. Go ahead and pause this video. Did you come up with some ideas on your own? I hope so. Let's go over some examples, and we'll start with how science is used in technology. How might science be useful in designing or making different types of technology? Well, the simple answer is that without science, there would be no technology. Could people make phones or any other electronic devices if no one understood how electricity works? Could anyone make cars if they didn't understand how chemical energy stored in gasoline can be released by burning it in order to transform the energy into kinetic energy that moves a car? No. In order to make technology, humans need knowledge that comes from science. Next, let's look at how technology can be used in science. When scientists conduct experiments, they often use technology, such as computers, calculators, thermometers, and lots of other machines and devices that help them collect data. Technology is used in science when scientists conduct research and need devices to help them. So it's important to realize that science and technology are super interconnected and dependent on one another. That's why they progress together. As one gets better, so does the other. And then that helps the other one get better, and so on. Science and technology are different, but they go hand in hand.